You get your blood go flow. You get you interrupting my phone when I'm having fun with my friends. Blood go flow. Blood go flow. We are not on the same frequency. Blood go flow. Blood go flow here.
Nzube, you got my hand.
No got no glory.
I relocated to this village because of Nzube. Because of the death threat from the cult group he joined in the city. Now that I'm in this village, Nzube can not allow me to rest. What have I done to this young man? God, what kind of child did you give to me? What did I do to deserve this kind of punishment? I think the right thing for me to do is to share my property when I'm still alive. I will share everything and hand over everything to Ikeji, my first son. I will tell him how to disburse it and when to disburse it. That is what I will do.
Love will conquer all. What will be, what will be. This is moment of peace. Love will conquer all.
Papa,
what will be?
What are you doing on the floor, man? Papa, Papa, Esther, Papa, Ogini, come on, I don't know what is wrong with Papa. Papa,
what's the problem?
Papa,
hey, Ikechi. No, don't do this to us, please. Papa, please. Just something, please. Papa, no, don't do this, please. Oh my God.
Papa.
Ikechi, what do you do?
Papa!
Let me go.
Papa, answer us now!
Let me call the other.
Papa, don't do this to us, oh. Papa, you cannot be joking this kind of joke by this time. Papa!
There is joy for those who deal justly with others. Always do what is right. Do what is right. God go answer your prayers. This is
Papa, why did you do this to me? Why didn't you tell me you were leaving so soon? Why did you tell me everything you told me last week without telling me you were leaving so soon? Why?
Papa, this one you said you want to see me. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is okay. I want us to discuss something very important.
What could that be?
Take this. In there contains everything I own. And I want you to keep them.
To keep them? Why, Papa?
Because you're my first son. If I'm not there, you will be in charge. I want to do it now that I have the time. Because I don't want any outsider to come and reap where they did not sow.
Papa, you're beginning to scare me. Is something wrong? Do you have a terminal illness?
No. I'm fine. I just want you to start getting used to taking responsibility in case I'm not there. When you go into your room, study this very well and then keep it in a safe place. Okay? One more thing. I know you, if I'm not there, I trust that you can take good care of your mother and your sister. If you look inside that file, you'll see a document that will show you how I shared all my property. I would not want you to give Nzube his inheritance unless he graduates and genuinely married. Because whatever you give to him now, he'll squander it. Promise me you will do that.
Papa, why are you scaring me like this now? Okay, Fozzy, what is
going on? Promise me you will not give Nzube his inheritance until he graduates. That's what I want to hear from you.
I promise you, Papa, but why are you saying?
Don't bother yourself, I'm fine. Don't bother. Okay, just do as I said, go before they come back as well.
God will answer your praise. This is moment of peace. God will answer your praise. What will be when you do what is right? This is moment of peace. Love will conquer.
Mama, the reason I called everybody here now is because I've been trying so hard to get brother's attention, as in one-on-one, come on, pankata, as the men in this family. Let me ask him about my share of Papa's property, my own share. But he has been trying to dodge me, doing hanky-panky game. So I said, let me call everybody so that you people will bear witness. I am asking after what rightfully belongs to me.
Nzube, what is wrong with you? Kidini Migi, what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me? How? I am asking about what belongs to me. Well, I understand you. Mununa not on the same frequency. So we can never be in the same frequency. Man, what just tell him to give me what is mine, and that's all.
It's just 2 days we buried Papa. And you're here talking about Papa's properties. Where is your conscience? Can you even say that thing?
And I don't bless my conscience. Who conscience help? In this even in a bamboo mirim naba. Monagana kofa and I'm off here on the same frequency. No! How can we be the same way? Your crocodile tears will not bring Papa back. Papa is dead and buried. Take it now. Bring my own share of his property. Give it to me. Who daddy?
Mama, are you looking at what you gave birth to?
I can negotiate Mama nehi fimo. Get it come believe them. All I'm saying is that tell your so-called elder brother to give me my own share of the property. My property, please admit this house. If not, I'll pull down his house. I'll pull him down and I'll collect the whole properties. What is this? See, Ikechi.
Hey!
Mama, it is sure not give more this lunatic.
I don't understand. What are you saying? You know, cause none of my
Oh, sorry, Mama, it's Zuko. Open water, Ndo.
Hey! Allah.
Me of all people, Muabu Nzube. Nzube nezuzu. Nzube azoroya. Esther slapped me. Hey! Jesus Christ. I will teach her a memorable lesson. So they want to conspire and seize my father's property, Abi? Eh? I will show them that they can never sit on my nose and feel balanced. I will show them that I am Nzube. Nzube nezuzu. Nzube azoroya. In fact, I will not do this morning with them again. Don't fire them at that morning. Come on, what? What else could be wrong? If not those fools that call themselves my siblings, they want to dare me in this village. They want to dare me. But I will show them, oh. I will show them, Pepe. Hi!
It's okay. You know what? Go over there and sit. I'm coming. Let me get you something chill to drink. Fanta. Do you prefer Fanta or water?
Fanta will be better.
Fanta. I'm coming. Go and sit and wait for me. I'm coming. Don't worry.
I will show them. They will know that this is where they why you all the time. I will show them that full time. They will call me. Me, no problem. They will know what they will see what I will do. I will shake all of them. They must give me my inheritance.
Odobumo, don't worry. Calm down.
This is why I'm always talking of you.
You know you're my baby now. You know I don't joke with you.
Oh,
My love, drink. Namo, drink very well. And then we will come down and discuss about those fools. Are you okay for now?
I'm okay. Thank you so much.
Can you imagine? Look at the way they are stressing my sweetheart for me. The only person I love in this whole community. They are stressing him for what now? Odobumo. Sorry, calm down. But, you know, I was warning you about this same thing. You know that, right? I was warning you when your father was still alive. I told you to make sure you collect your inheritance from him. But you did nothing. You did nothing. You just acting as if you're a baby that doesn't know his left and right. Now your father is dead. And look at what your brother is doing with your inheritance. Sitting on top of your inheritance and he has refused to give you what belongs to you. It doesn't make any sense. And that's your sister. Your sister had the guts to slap you. For what? Look at the way they are treating you as if you're an outcast. As if you don't belong to the family. It doesn't make any sense. Look, you need to do something. You need to do something about this. If you had disturbed your father when he was alive, you would have known that he gave your inheritance to your brother. Nzube, you need to do something. Because enough is enough. I need you to stand up as a man and take what belongs to you by fire, by force.
I know I need to do something. But the problem here is that my network is not connecting at all. I don't even know what to do again. I need somebody to give me ideas. Can I even get my network on app? Can they follow?
When the network on you need ideas, right?
Yes.
No problem. I will give you ideas. But you need to listen to me carefully and promise me that whatsoever I say now, you will do it.
Sure.
You promise, right?
I promise.
Good. Now, Nzube, you see that's your brother. That's your stupid brother that doesn't want to give you what belongs to you. You need to disturb him. You see what I always talk about you? You don't have sense. We planned this whole thing. We discussed a lot of things that you would have done at your father's funeral. But you did nothing. You would have disgraced your brother. Yes! In the presence of everybody, you would have disgraced him. What did you do? Nothing. Look at your brother sitting on top of your inheritance, relaxing, bragging, as if he's the father of all nations. And you are here, crying. Nzube, Nzube, this is no longer fun, you. I want you to go and threaten your brother. I want you, Nzube, to go and disturb him. Threaten his life. If it's possible for you to spill blood, do it. Give him injuries. Come on. Are you not my Odogu? Are you not my Nzube? Do something.
I should do something.
Yes.
Never. I say, I will never allow him to seize my inheritance. No, never. I will never do that. I'd rather die than see that happen. Yes.
You rather do what? No. Die for what? You rather die or he will die? He will be the one to die or not you.
No, I mean, he would have been dead before I die.
Okay.
Yes.
But please, delete yourself from the death list. You're not going to die. Because if you die, how are you going to take your inheritance? And how are you going to enjoy it? Please, you're not going to die. Did you hear me? Good.
You no longer have sense, so you're no longer the Nzube I used to know. But it's fine. It's okay. Come and rest on my chest so that you will get more sense.
You know your chest is my resting place. Anytime I put my head on your chest like this, full network on Abia full bar.
You better get network.
My network is connected now.
You better get it.
It's connected.
Ikechi, network about Abia full bar. I am coming for you. I'm coming with this full network. I'm coming for you. When I get the time. I'm charged. Now I'm fully charged. My network is full bar.
No guts, no glory. No pain, no gain. After the storm.
Where are your brothers? I didn't see them inside.
Ikechi went to return things we used for the burial. And at for Nzube. Nzube has not come to this compound since I threw him out of this compound.
Hi! Hi! What is wrong with this boy? How did I even offend him?
Mama, please.
Why will he be treating me like this? Why will he be making my life unbearable?
It's not this morning, no. It's not this morning, please. I don't want you to be talk this morning. Please. That guy is just a bad omen. I don't want to talk about him.
No matter what, he's still my son. And mind the choice of words you use on him. He is your blood brother.
Mama, I say you want to talk about Nzube, right? You want to talk about Nzube. But I must tell you that you're that guy's one problem. Number one problem that guy has is you.
Why will you say that to me?
Mama, I will say that to you.
No, what did I do?
Mama, I will say that to you. You are the one that have spoiled this guy. Who is he on a water? That guy is just behaving like a complete lunatic. Can you imagine? Anything Nzube wants, Nzube gets. Papa keep warning you, but you never listen. Look at him. Look at Nzube dragging property just after 2 days we buried Papa. Can you imagine that? Please, I don't want to talk about Nzube. I told you I don't want to talk about that idiot. That hooligan, I don't want to talk about him.
Just with others. Do what is right. God go answer your prayers. This is moment of peace. Love will conquer all. What will be. Always do what is right. Moment of peace. Love will conquer all.
You cannot be asking me for money now because of that jam lesson. I know how much I gave to you. I gave you extra so that you wouldn't come back. Why are you like this? Eh?
Papa, outside the jam blessing fee now, I have to transport myself. I have to eat snacks and even drink water. You have to be considerate now. I need more money. You have to give me more money.
Nzube, you are not the only person or the first person I'm training in this family. I know how much I give to the kitchen. I will always give you more. And you will still come back and ask, how? It's not possible. I'm not giving you a dime. I will not give you.
Give him small now. At least he's the youngest one here. Give him small. Let him have the sense of love and care.
Mama, you are support. You're going in already.
I don't like this. Mama, I don't like this.
Papa. From what I'm seeing now, even the one he said he registered, he go voicemail. Go and change up and drag him to that lesson. Go and find out what is going on.
Okay, Papa. I'll give you feedback.
What nonsense is this? How long will continue to everybody will start to pamper you? What kind of rubbish is this?
No, I don't like this. Mama, I don't like this. Thank you, Mama.
You see, this idea of last son You are really spoiling this boy.
How? How am I spoiling him? I shouldn't love him again.
No. You don't give a child that impression you will always get what you want. You make them understand they have to work hard to get whatever they need in life.
He's not done from school. So what that kind of hard work are you expecting him to do? To start pushing barrel?
Part of schooling is hard work, concentrating in his studies. That's what I'm talking about. Don't give him that impression everything have to come easy. Nothing good comes easy in life.
But you gave him money first. Why is my
And he squandered it. You're making him spend more than his means, and he cannot make a living like that. That's what I'm saying. This thing, when you plant, if you plant a wrong seed, when it will germinate, you will not like the taste. Because of this, you over pampering and everything. This is the third time he's failing jam. He's supposed to be in year 3 now. I'm still paying jam lesson fee.
Even the way you talk to him, you make him fail the jam more. Can't you sometimes give him a little sense of love and care?
Maka, inekwa na atoge no nsogbu adiro. Mgbe emetara mgbe ọ bịara.
Are you still doing this schoolwork?
No, Mama, I'm done. I'm just trying to round up. But what you should be concerned about is Nzube.
What about him?
He has not even done his own. Mama, Nzube is supposed to be in his 2nd year. And he's still lazying about. Look at him sleeping. He has not even passed jam.
I'm done with my own. No. I don't.
Please help him. Why are you his elder sister?
You know he's supposed to be in year 2. And he has not passed jam. That is the more reason you should help him. Do the school work for him. Yes, he's doing his jam lessons. Do it for him.
Mama,
when he looks at it, he will know that you have done it for him and he will learn from it.
Mama, how is he going to learn? If I continue to help him, how will he learn? How will he even pass the jam?
He will learn. Once you do it, he will look at the one you did for him and improve on it. Why can't you pamper this boy? You are going your finals. Eh? If that's not your project, you're right. Eh? Help your brother. He get help here. Even though I know he's stupid, has his excesses. That is notwithstanding. That is not why we should crucify him. Do it for him. To hurry up so that you can help me in the kitchen. My old brain here in Achidekita, and this small thing you want to write is what you're calling the whole world. He's sleeping. If you want to sleep, go and sleep. Do you sleep?
Mama, you're not helping him. You're not helping him.
You get better.
Mama, this thing you are doing to this guy, you're not helping. Anyway, no problem. I've heard you.
Pamper him, he's your younger brother.
I've heard you.
Pamper him.
I've heard you, no problem. Pamper him. 2 years speaking, I'll pamper him.
Are you not doing this for him again?
Mama, I'll do it for him now. I want to go and do it for him.
I'm in trouble. You're doing it, you're spoiling him, you're doing it. What are you doing to him? You're crucifying him. So, Mama, come on, have me. Is this not the result you told me you lost the code that says it? Eh? You lied because you knew you scored nothing. You scored 10 in all the subjects, including maths and English. Why are you different? Why are you like this? Why can't you be like your other siblings? Your brother graduated with a first class. Your sister is even working towards that goal now. Why can't you be like, why are you different? Why are you this wicked? Anyways, I know what to do. Your father is going to see this once he comes back.
No, Mama, please. Please now. Don't show it to Papa. I've been scared that Papa will kill me. That's why I lied. Please, don't tell him.
The only thing you are good at is carrying food. I'll show this result to your father once he comes back. I won't keep it to myself. I won't. No, I will not. You cannot blackmail me.
Mama.
Oh, yeah, my phone. Oh, Yahoo kidnapping. Bet kidnapping. I'm not what you do with phone. You're afraid he's going to kill you. You're scared. So you know he's going to kill you. Yet you didn't behave like your elder siblings. You didn't want to better your life. The earlier the better I will show him. So that if you can adjust to be a better person or a gamot, this is because we can't keep wasting our money.
No, Mama. No, Mama, see. I promise from today henceforth, I've changed.
After you failed this one?
If my next sitting in JAMB, I will score 400 or 400. I will not fail again.
So who will pay for it?
It's me now.
Betakanda. Who will pay for it? It's not better for him to beat you.
If you beat me, you like it. Mama, it's me.
Don't touch me!
Mama, it's me. It's in Zubeo. Mama, it's in Zubeo. Mama, it's in Zubeo. It's in Zubeo.
Don't touch me now.
Mama, it's in Zubeo. Mama. Mama, no. You know.
What have you done? You brought a woman to your father's house and slept with her. You never have a ballroom dance. Charlotte! Hey!
Mama, I'm sorry, but you just have to understand that now on what it togo, what I brozo maze.
You're a shameless adult. Look at you. If you know you want to do what you like, why can't you go and get your own house? What are you doing here? Eh? I want to get a man. Imani to go. Why can't you go and get your own house? And you, these sluts. I have warned you severally to stay away from my brother.
Come on, don't hear me. No, just try me.
Dear madam, you followed him to come and defile my house. You did not see hotel to take him to go kill yourselves there. Hi!
Mama, I don't like what I do. You're supporting your daughter. Let's go. Don't mind them. Nobody will have. Hey! Who will see this thing now?
Standing fan. Hey! Don't bring that on to me now. Fast slap your face. All right. Okay, I'm going to go to the marry. I want you to do me a favor. Can we keep what happened earlier between us? I don't want your father to hear about it.
What? Mama, why would you say that? Papa hearing about this thing is the only way Nzube will be corrected. Papa is the only person that guy fears. What are you saying? If we don't report it to Papa, he will do it again.
No, you will not do it again. I'll make sure he doesn't. Trust me on this.
Mama, he ain't a mad rock, Mama. He ain't a mad rock, Mama. It's not good. This is wrong. This is wrong. That you are spoiling that guy. But it's fine. I'll do it. Is this why you want to see me? guts do you have to stop me on the way when I'm passing? Why are you stopping me on the way when I'm passing? Have you not done enough? What do you want from me? Or are you trying to pretend that I don't know that Nzube is in your house? Is that what you're trying to do? I know he's in your house.
Esther, can you calm down? Just calm down and listen to me. I am not as bad as you think, okay? And besides, Nzube is not in my house. Hold on. Is he not at home?
Nigga, it doesn't fit you at all. You see this pretense? No, it doesn't look like you. Look at you. You can pretend for all you can. Alright? But I know Nzube is in your house. You're a snake, Sandra. You are not a good person. I don't know what my brother is doing with you. But don't worry. We'll get to that place soon. And next time, don't even try to stop me when I'm passing on the way. Pomwaga kanti. No fear.
Now that is a direct threat to my life.
She was beating when I got there. I had to wait for her to finish beating before I would deliver the message for her. And then when I was coming, I saw that useless prostitute, that Sandra of a girl. She wanted to talk to me. I pushed her, told her to leave my way. She's denying that Nzube is not in her house, but I know Nzube is there. Nzube is there, joblessly lying there. I had to get out of my front.
If your brother is not in her house, where else can he be at this point in time?
Mama Nzube is in her house. I know what I'm saying. If you want me to prove it to you now, go to her house and draw Nzube out of that place. But I don't want to do that. I love the peace that is in this house. So you better stop disturbing yourself. You caused all this thing.
It's my fault. I caused it. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I didn't do it intentionally. You know, he's my youngest son, so I tried to pet him. It's not as if I was indulging him like that.
It's okay. Who's telling you? Who's telling you? Look at Nzube now. It's okay, let me go and prepare something for you to eat. Stop crying.
I don't even know if Nzube is eating wherever he is.
You just take your... Hi! Mama! Chai! Let me go and prepare something for you to eat. I'm coming. Stop crying.
What happened? Why are you crying? Wait, what happened to your chest now?
Is it not that your stupid old sister? I was walking by myself, She saw me on the road and blocked me. And then, before I could even utter a word, she gave me 2 hot slaps.
Esther!
She slapped me and...
Agadi Ekwenka laid her filthy hands on Aponam Mbano. Mba! Mba! Don't complain, don't talk again, don't even cry. The more you cry, the more in Abani more. Just like them down now. Messia, shake it now. Don't worry. Esther! I will show you. Don't worry. I'm coming back.
You with her.
Esther! My baby, her filthy hand slapped my Sandra, my sweet Sandra. Oh, Esther, I'm going to quick today. Eh? You know that I'm Munsube. I don't get the fuck. You will see. Hey, Esther! 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 Hey, oh, wait. Wait, make I get your verse. You see the other side of it. I don't have money. I don't have money. What's your problem? Sube?
Are you mad?
Sube, Mama, take yourself out of this. Mama, take yourself. How do you stay one place? How dare you leave your elder sister? Have you asked her? You don't answer what made her slap my babe. And you're here ranting, talking like an idiot. What's your problem? I'm talking like an idiot. Are you not an idiot? Talking like an idiot. Mama, it's because of you. Mama, you will not have peace in this house. So long as you did not give me my own share of father's property. You have peace in your house, eh?
Look at his face like a demon's face.
Earlier you give me my own share of our father's property, the better for you. If not, we are not on the same frequency.
Frequency working.
None of that. Can you find this boy in Ese?
Go and change.
Sorry.
Go and change.
Adame, sorry, go and change.
I am sorry.
Go and change your clothes.
Go and change. Leave him. I'll here now. Try fair. That thing you're looking for.
Mama, if not for you, one day we'll this boy near Yankee.
You are indeed a first son. Thank you for being a good son to me and your father. Your father will be proud wherever he is. Thank you very much. I never knew you had this level of patience. Eh? Thank you. He injured me, but it's fine. Sit. He injured me.
It's okay.
It's fine. My blood is on his head.
It's okay.
If anything should happen to me,
okay.
My blood is on the head of Nzube.
Nzube could not even regard you. He came before you to tear that next cloth.
Yes! He even fought me. Why not?
So, in this village, hi, oh God, Mwa bu Nzube na susu. Nzube na aso. Mana lesi Nzube aso. Esther had the temerity, the guts to slap my Sandra. Apple na hey, Jesus Christ, the apple of my eyes. Sandra Otamomo, ka Esther, that's Agadi my baby, slap my Sandra. Don't worry. What I did to you, this slap I gave you now is just an example. It's just an example to what I'll do to Ikechi. Eh? Don't worry. Uncle, thank God I saw you. See, Uncle, for the sake of peace in this village, for the sake of peace in this our compound, you have to go and warn my siblings, oh, those your late elder brother's useless children, especially Ikechi. He should settle me. He should give me my father's inheritance, my own portion of the inheritance. Egon Namaburagi Ikechi. If Ikechi does not settle me in this village, nobody will know peace. I will put down our house. I will put down your house. I will kill everybody. I will even kill myself. If Ikechi does not settle me in this village, nobody will know peace. Tell them I said so. He must settle me. Egon Namaburagi Ikechi.
Hey.
He's not done.
Alright, man. Look at this boy. No greetings. And he has the guts to send me on an errand. Hey! Onuchuku, my brother. What has your family turned into? Huh?
Yes, sugar. Of course I'm okay. Well, I'm missing you. When are you coming? Baby, how did it go? Did you deal with her?
Trust me now. Trust me. I gave her a hot slap. I also tore her clothes to prove to her that whatsoever gave her the impetus to slap my angel gave me double impetus.
Good. That is my man. That is my man. Eh? You see why I I do not joke with you. You see why I love you? I know that you will not allow that your old, stupid, shameless sister to beat me and go scot-free.
Not possible.
I trust you, my man. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now you have proven to me that you're a real man. So you know what?
What, baby?
I am going to take care of you tonight. I'm going to... This your waist. I hope it's active tonight.
247.
Hey.
Scotting.
Have you heard of cockroach style? Cockroach style. You haven't tried that one before?
Never.
Don't worry.
Go down.
Don't worry, I'll show you. Don't worry, my baby. You haven't seen anything. I am going to make sure I roll on
this
you.
This my baby.
Tore his clothes. Why would you do a thing like that?
Mama, I never did any of that. You should know me. I was Monyala.
I'm for what I know.
But it's fine. No problem. That girl is a snake. She is ready to bite anybody anybody whatsoever. Man or man tam, she won't bite me.
You mean he sleeps in her house?
As we speak, he's there. Somebody that just lost the father. Nezuzwale.
What kind of a human being is this boy, Bikono?
He's no longer a human being. No. Yeah, no mpama.
What is wrong with this boy?
Uncle, good afternoon. No, good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
Fine. Please, come and sit.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, dear. Where is Ikechi?
He went to my father's site. He went to oversee the work going on there.
Maybe I should be on my way back. Tell him to see me when he returns.
And I hope all is well.
For now, all is well. But I don't know what will happen later.
I don't understand. What is going on?
I will explain. Yesterday, as I was going to the Igwe's palace, I met Nzube Chukwu on the way. He practically yelled at me, warning me that I should tell his brother Ikechi to give him his father's inheritance.
Arrow.
The anger I saw on that boy's face yesterday, if nothing urgent is done, that boy might achieve his dangerous end.
The same yesterday he slapped me. Mama Rapkomaka.
What?
He slapped me and tore my dress, Uncle.
Nzube did that to you?
Nzube slapped me. Machicha Manya tore my dress.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean? In fact, from what I saw yesterday, if something urgent is not done, that boy might do the unthinkable. So it's better we begin to see the ways we can to make sure peace returns back to this home. Anything short of peace, I don't think I'll set myself with that. I'll be on my way now. Please, once Ikechi is back, please do not hesitate to send for me.
I will.
You're not saying anything?
I heard what you said. I will send for you once Ikechi comes back.
We'll send.
Very, very important. Very, very important.
Uncle, I'll be expecting you.
Yes. I'll be going now.
I'll be expecting you.
I will definitely come back. Try.
Look at what he's doing.
Please, can I
Look at what he's doing. Eh?
Somebody that just lost the father. Hey! Because
I am deep in thoughts. If not for you, how would I have known that all these things are happening? How?
Baby, so I've been thinking,
You and thoughts. Every time you are thinking. I don't want you to be stressing your sense, your brain for me now. Please. Okay, now tell me. This time around, what are you thinking about?
you know, your father is one of the most influential and comfortable men in this community. You shouldn't be suffering. You shouldn't be here suffering with me. Doesn't make sense. Since you've already told him that you do not want to further your education, I think it's better you tell him to give you your own inheritance so that you can start up a business or something.
Do you know why I'm laughing? I'm laughing because this is what the prodigal son did in the Bible.
The prodigal son wasted his. He did not invest it. But in your own case, you are going to invest it. And I'm here to guide you. Okay?
Sandra, you do not know my father. Believe me, I know my father more than you, and he will never listen to me if I tell him that.
You see? This is what I don't like about you. You're always negative. Can you try to be positive for once? Eh? See, other people did it and it worked for them. Why are you talking as if you don't know that what I'm saying is the actual fact? What about Mr. Okenwa? Eh? He shared his properties amongst his 6 children and they are all doing well today. And what about Mazi Okonkwo? Mazi Okonkwo did the same thing before he died. Okay, let's talk about your uncle. Your uncle also, he shared his property as well. In fact, he gave his wealth, half of his wealth, to his second son because the first one decided to become a Catholic priest. He invested it and traveled abroad. So what are you saying?
Sandra, this is why I am always running to you. You are always right. Believe me, I'm surprised I've not even thought of this. All this while. I am going to do exactly as you said.
Now that is my man talking. Eh? That is how I want you to act as my man. Eh? You know, it gets me excited when I see you act so manly. It makes me feel so happy.
At least now I have enough reason to convince my father to give me my own share of my inheritance.
Of course you do.
So that I can start a new chapter of life.
Yes!
With my angel.
You can start. Look, we have a lot of business ideas. I do have a lot of business ideas. Not just that, babe. We need a lot of money, at least, do some shopping.
You need to be taken care of, baby.
Yes, my love. You trust me on that.
No, I know what you can do.
Come here, my baby.
I've heard what you said. All the people you made reference to, they are different from me. Because I'm a principled man. I have standard. And when I set my standard, I follow it up. And my standard is that any of my child must graduate. When you graduate and come back, if you want to venture into business or any other field of life, I will support you. And that standard must be maintained. That is it.
Papa, I know that you are a principled man. I don't have a problem with that. But my problem is that you have a standard, and that standard is not suitable for my standard of living. I don't want to go to school again. He did not go to school, he made money. Agebu Choma did not go to school, he made money. Esego of Ihiala did not go to school, he made money. Papa, school is scam. I want to make money to make you happy.
School is scam.
Pure scam.
School is scam. Konjo. Ngozi Okonjo Iweala school, and today she is known all over the world.
He is not a man. Give me money, can work.
Welcome. With this your head that is hot like this, any amount of money I give to you now, you will squander it. That is the truth of the matter. And they are not the same like me. I have decided, and that my decision is final. I have handed over your inheritance to your elder brother. I've told him when to hand it over to you. At the right time, he will hand over your inheritance to you. And that is the truth.
Do you know the problem I have with you? You said my head is hot. Yes, my head is hot. If you give me my inheritance, I will make you happy. How can you take my inheritance and give to my elder brother Ikechi, that is dragging my father's compound with me, instead of him to build his own house and he leave this one for me? On that drag, you still carry my inheritance and give to him. Why? Why are you so old-fashioned, Papa? See, in my next life, I swear, if I see you as my father, I will not even smile because you are not doing like he did you.
I don't understand it. Your smile, whether you cut a cherry, smile, it doesn't concern me. This thing you are doing, shouting, you don't do it more than me when I was your age. So I am telling you, calm down. My decision, and I have decided how I'm going to cut it, and it is final.
I know Papa. Yes, that is true. But I'm telling you this from Usupe. If you do not give me my inheritance, Papa, I will burn everybody. I will burn this house. I will get my inheritance too, and I will burn it down. It's better you give it to me in peace, and this house will have peace. If not, Papa, we are going to do it by
If not for me, you wouldn't have known that your father handed his properties to your brother. And your brother is there, sitting on your inheritance, and has refused to give you what belongs to you. Nzube, are you a coward?
I am not a coward.
Nzube, if you were not a coward, you would have done something. So I think you are a coward.
Sandra, I am not a coward.
Nzube, you are a coward.
Sandra, I am not a coward.
Then prove it. If you are not a coward, prove it. Go out there and fight. Take what belongs to you. Fight your brother. Spill blood if necessary. Okay? If you want to tell me and if you want me to believe that you are not a coward, that you are man enough, stop sitting around and do something. Go out there and fight. Go and fight.
Sandra, you are pushing me. Dead body go surplus.
Go and fight.
If I leave this room now, blood go flow.
Let it flow.
I am going to fight for my inheritance.
Fight.
Blood go flow.
Nzube, fight.
Sandra, blood go flow.
Nzube, let it flow.
Dead body go surplus.
Let it surplus. Let it flow. Go out there and fight as a man. Fight for me. So that I will enjoy myself. Have a lot of money. Buy a lot of things that I deserve as a woman. A beautiful one at that. Go and fight, my king. Go and fight for your queen.
Understand? For this family say no more they're supposed to know that they were on manners. Mannerless. They will understand the but no problem. In due time, they will understand one after the other.
Mama, where is the opera Oko?
Oga, good evening, sir. Since you cannot greet, what is wrong with you? Nzubechuku, what has come over you? Nzubechuku, what did I ever do to you? How did I offend you? Nzubechuku, I gave you everything you needed while growing up, even until this day. I pampered you. I indulged you. I defended you whether you were right or wrong. Is that how I offended you? Or can see mebugi? Or can see malo?
No, Mama.
Or can see me?
Mama, this is exactly why you are not my problem. Mama, you are not my problem in this family at all. Even Esther herself was not my problem. But since she had the guts to slap my Apunangu, my Sandra, that was why I got angry with her and dealt with her. But I don't really have any issue with her. The person I have issue with in this compound, in this family, is Ikechi. Father said he should give me my share of the inheritance in due time. Now father is dead. Give me my own share of our father's property. Ikechi Asebumba. Why is he saying no? Does he want to copy my inheritance? Eh? Mama, why? If that boy doesn't give me my inheritance, Mama, I swear, I'll kill that boy. I'll kill him. In fact, if I get to father's shop now and see him there, if he doesn't settle me, me and him will settle it. I will deal with him. Ikechi, enough. Ikechi, enough. Ikechi, enough.
Hey! How did I end up like this? How? Bechi didn't more prodigal son. I demand more prodigal son. I am alive and give birth to a prodigal son. Does that mean it's wrong to overlove a child? Does that mean it's wrong to indulge a child? I love him. I love him like a mother should love her son. Is that how I heard? Is that how I shot myself on the leg? Ah! Chimebuomo.
Nzube, don't ever lie with my name again. Stop calling my name. Stop accusing me in things that I did not know. Can you hear me, Megi? Why are you calling my name?
Say you see as my leg they shake. But I just have to control myself because I don't have your time now. When I come for you, you will know. But I didn't get it, self. I'm not even getting it. Your mates are all married in their husband's house, and you are here in your father's house, dragging your father's property with your younger brother and his wife. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Are you not seeing the house that he built for the mother and the sisters? You did not see. Shameless idiots. Listen, let me tell you, stop calling my name. I will show you. I am waiting. Go and bring that snake and come to this house. Go and bring her. Is that time I will show you that I'm the other in this house?
This compound. Mama Kutugala. You don't know what I can do. Don't worry. I will deal with
shameless goats.
Mama Kutugala.
A failed man.
I'm coming back for you.
The man idiots. Mama caused all this. This boy every time. This boy will be disturbing this family. I don't know why he's calling my name. Eh? Can you mean Zubano?
Uncle, you didn't have to bother now. I'm not a visitor here.
My nephew. Only an unwise man will not treat his brother well the way he will treat his guest. I know you are aware about your brother who has been raging in the village. I heard he slapped and tore his elder sister's clothes. All this has happened because he was asking for his inheritance, which your father gave to you to keep for him. It is due him. Give him what belongs to him. Whatever he likes, let him do with it.
Uncle, you have spoken well. I'm aware of Nzube's madness. In fact, I was there when he tore Amarachi's clothes. A week before my father died, he called me and handed me over everything he owned. I was surprised. And I asked him if he was about to die. He said no. But he told me something. He said I should make sure Nzube's inheritance does not get to him until he was done with his university education. That I should only provide him his monthly allowance and make sure he doesn't lack anything. And that I have been doing. 4 days after that, he came again with the same warning. I call it a warning because he asked me to hold my ears and asked me if I remembered the promise I made to him, to which I said yes. If you were in my shoes, uncle, will you disobey your father?
Well, I understand you. You have a valid point. Then, I guess I have to talk to Nzube Chukwu.
Please talk to him.
Yes. He needs to think about his life. What is wrong with him?
Amarom if any that boy.
I will talk to him.
Okay, uncle.
Surely I will talk to him.
Nzube. Welcome.
Is Ikechi here?
No, he left an hour ago.
How much have you sold today?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? Are you daft? I'm asking you how much have you sold there and you don't understand. What do you mean by I don't understand?
I'm not answerable to you. I'm only answerable to Brother Ikechi.
Keep up your mouth. How dare you call that name here? I'm asking you how much you sold in my father's shop and you are calling a name of Jobaro Okoko. A first son without a value. I can see that you are not dragging my father's shop with me, Abi. Don't worry. Wait.
What are you doing?
The next time I come to this shop, and you exchange words with me, I will tear you like a bread. Don't give vam. Don't worry. You want to make yourself my problem. Don't worry.
What kind of man being is this?
Can't you walk in like a sensible human being than disturbing the entire neighborhood here?
Uncle, you can call me senseless. I don't care. But I'm not here because of you. I came here to see my brother Ikechi. If he's inside your house, please tell him to come outside. We have something to settle now.
So you have become so rude that you can't even greet. Anyway, when you are ready to talk, I'll come out and meet you.
Uncle, hold on, Uncle. Don't go inside. I did not come here to talk with you. Is that your late brother's useless first son? That Jobaro Okoko? He's the one I want to talk with. Because... Uncle, I'm talking and you're walking out on me, Abi? No problem. I can clearly see that it is a gang up against me. Against me, I will show you people say I have no manners in this village. You have to go to the other side of me. You walked out on me. Don't worry now. I'll walk into you. No problem. Mama, is Ikechi back? Mama, I said, is Ikechi back? Oh, I understand. Mama, so you have joined them. You have joined them. You of 4 people that should be supporting me have joined those people that want to seize my inheritance. Okay? No problem. It's okay.
Join who? Those people that have your interest at heart.
Mama.
All they think about is your betterment. How it will be good for you.
Mama, how can those who have my best interest at heart seize my inheritance? Why can't I already?
Because they know you will squander it. Squander East.
I will squander my inheritance. Am I a child? Mama, what a Togo? What are you telling me?
See who is talking. Did you see your face? In your mind, you were lying. Because it was written all over you. Your father gave you money to go register for WAEC. You squandered it. You returned back to us and told us that armed robbers attacked you. He gave you another one. You squandered it. Came back again and lied that you forgot it in the bus while going to register for the WAEC. He now got angry. Registered you himself. Yet, you failed woefully. You told us you registered for school that never existed. I know you needed money. And I gave you all the money you needed so that you don't go to steal. Little did we know, you were spending this money on the waist of that Sandra girl. Now you're clamoring and shouting that your inheritance should be given to you so that you go and squander it with a girl. Hell no, you won't have it. Read my lips. You are not going to have it.
Mama, I won't have it.
Of course you won't have it.
I won't have my inheritance. Mama, read my own lips. Me, I have lips. Read my lips. Now this family, everybody is killing you. This compound can be effectively. If you don't give me my inheritance,
Why are you shouting?
Oh,
why are you making noise all over the place?
I'm making noise on top of my inheritance, Mama. On top of my inheritance, Mama. Also, Garaba. If everybody did not run away from this compound, you will not know how serious I am. Don't worry about me.
But by the time you finish running, all of us will join you, if there will be need for it. What is wrong with this idiot? Go get out. Just keep yelling and yelling and yelling and yelling.
Ikechi, so this is where you are, comfortably taking account, father's manager, sitting on my millions. You must be mad.
Uzube, if you could please sit down, let us talk.
Ikechi, I don't have that patience with you. All I need from you now is whatsoever you think that I own, that belongs to me as my inheritance. Give me the documents. As for the money, you make transfer immediately. We'll do it at this house. Everybody will have peace.
Uzube, you cannot achieve anything with this violence.
Ikechi, are you deaf?
Sit down, let us talk about your inheritance.
If I am saying, you are still asking me, are you deaf? I said I don't have that patience with you. Give me my inheritance, Ikechi. Mama, I go run mad for this compound. Give me what belongs to me.
I don't have your time. Get out of my presence.
Ikechi, me, I should leave your presence. See, I need to make you understand that we are not on the same frequency. If you see me when I run mad, you can know so I don't have manners. As a man, so I am that mannerless in Zube. Ikechi, give me my inheritance. Let us have peace in this house. If not, Ikechi, there will be no peace in this house. So I'll put down this house, I'll put down this book, and I'll put down our father's shop. They're not listening to me. Ikechi. No problem. I know what I will do. Ikechi, you will hear from me. You will hear from me. Don't worry. You will hear from me.
Jakube, what is wrong? Why did you close the shop so early? Good afternoon.
It's no Brother Zube. He came to the shop and was asking about you. I told him that you left. And he slapped me and carried all the whole money in the shop.
What? Today?
Yes.
What is wrong with Nzube? What is wrong with Nzube? This is getting out of hand, though. Don't worry, I know what to do. Please, from today, whenever you have made sales, take the money straight to Adanna's shop. Use the POS to pay it into the company's account. Okay?
Okay.
You don't have to bother bringing it home. And avoid him.
No problem.
I'm sorry about the slap.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. You can go home now and rest.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, eh? What is wrong with this boy? Did he come with anybody?
You see this thing I'm missing now, eh? Once I finish taking this thing like this, if I catch down my babe, everywhere in the express, Nanya like this, the magic break.
Your money is long. Let's enjoy.
So this is where you squander all the money you steal from the shop. What is wrong with you? Why don't you want to help yourself? You don't want to do any job? You don't want to be productive? All you want to do is to squander money. Is that what you have come to this life to do?
You get your blood go flow. You get you interrupting my phone when I'm having fun with my friends. Blood go flow. Blood go flow. We are not on the same frequency. Blood go flow. Blood go flow. Yeah. Blood go flow. Blood go flow. We are not on the same frequency. We are not on the same frequency. Blood go flow. Blood go flow.
My hand. Nzube, you got my hand.
Chike! Hester! What is it?
It's Nzube.
What about?
Nzube has stabbed Nkechi. As we speak, he's bleeding.
Hey! Where? Mama! Let's go. Let me go and see it all.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What are you doing? Did I ever wrong you anyway? Did I offend you in any way by giving birth to you? Did I commit an abomination by giving birth to you? What is wrong with you?
Mama.
I can't put it again.
Mama, the only abomination you committed was to join them, to gang up with them and seize my inheritance.
Mama, no, slap.
Mama,
slap.
Mama,
slap.
See,
slap.
Slapping me is not going to solve it. If
No,
you
slap
want
back.
peace in this compound,
Slap back.
Mama, can you listen to me?
Slap back.
Can you listen to the solution? If you want peace in this house, if you want peace, Mama, hear me out first. Hear me out, oh, if you want peace in this house, just tell Nkechi to give me my inheritance. Oh, Gwebe, not slapping me. Slapping me is just aggravating my anger. Okay, maybe woman also so.
You will not work first. You kill yourself first. Because you're not going to kill any of my children. Because if you do, I'll kill you.
Mama,
I'll kill you 1,000,000 times.
Mama, who's going to suggest? Who's going to suggest? Woman, here, I must have suggest. Here, Mama, woman, you know that. In fact, fire enter the house, no problem. Enter the house. It's not woman. Here, I'm not saying
Do I blame you? Hey,
Mama.
How are you?
Well, I'm fine. I thank God.
Hope he didn't bleed so much.
He did. He was aiming for my heart, but he got my hand.
You will never get your heart. God not allowing you to get your heart. One night they will go on one day. I know you're in so much pain. I'm sorry.
Mama, I don't know what has gotten into Nzube.
Mama,
Mama, you have to be talking to Nzube. Most of this thing you caused it.
Are you not talking to him? The one you're talking to is not enough.
Mama, I'm going to
food.
Be talking to him.
Everything is me. Am I the dealer of Mkpuru? Did you hear I'm in the bunk? Maybe a special distributor. I am the one giving him everything. If you are allowed, you say I was the one that even stabbed Nkechi. That's Nzube again. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me mourn my loss. Leave me alone.
this.
So you still have mouth to talk?
Will you take this nonsense?
After doing this to me.
See, I will tell you now. Hey! Brother, barricade him, no! Barricade him! Barricade him! You come out with that! You guys!
You like school, nobody says you!
I don't know what to say. It's a bad time. It's a bad time. Barricade him, please! Barricade him! Mama! Mama! Mama!
Man, babe, you're too sweet. But this is like the best I've had ever.
You can't say that again.
I really wish you could, go inside and, how about that?
Calm down, Joe. Are you not tired, eh? Do you know how many rounds we've gone? Calm down.
I take these things very serious as government work.
Look at you. You know what? I think you should start going.
You're right.
Don't worry. Maybe next time we'll continue from where we left things.
See you soon, eh?
Alright.
I'll see you soon.
Bye-bye, go!
You're very smart.
I haven't heard from Nzube in 2 days now. I've been calling his number, but it's switched off. Should I go to his house? No. That's a bad idea. That his witch of a sister would devour me. I hope all is well with him. Why is he not picking up my calls and why is his line switched off? What is wrong? What is going on? And I've gone broke. I don't even have Shengbai with me. 1 naira I don't have because he has stopped giving me money. Oh, what do I do now? What do I do? He really needs to come back. Oh, I can't keep up with this. And he has to go and get his inheritance. Yes. He really needs to get his inheritance. Oh, can no longer endure this. How will a fine girl like me stay here without money? If not for Chooks that came here and gave me some money, what would I have done? I would have died of hunger. I don't know what to do.
What's going on here?
Uncle, good afternoon. Uncle, please beg Brother Ikechi for me. He has tied me on this tree for the past 2 days. I have not eaten. I have not even drunk water. I have not taken my bath for 2 days now. Please, Uncle, help me and beg him.
Did you just greet? Hey, wonders they say shall never end. Anyway, I will do as you said. I will talk to him.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
I will get back to you. Because what am I seeing? Your brother tied onto the tree. He said he's been there for 2 days. He was even begging me. And so I should also beg you.
Uncle, his head needs to calm down because his head has been overheating.
So his head is now a car radiator. In fact, he greeted me the first time. I was even surprised he greeted. And even begged me and asked me to beg you too, to free him.
Story. Somebody that I know very well. He's not ready to change. He only told you that because he wants me to free him.
Anyway, for my sake, please, release him there. For someone to be at a point for 2 days is not a joke.
Uncle, this boy is my brother. I know him very well. His head has not cooled down. But if you want me to release him, I will not disobey you. No problem, I will.
You made my day. Thank you very much.
It's okay, Uncle.
I shall be going now.
All right, uncle. Go well.
No got no glory, no pain, no gain. After the storm comes the moment of peace, moment of peace, of peace. This is moment of peace. Love will conquer storm. What will be, will be. This is moment of peace. Love will conquer storm. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. This is moment of peace. Love will conquer storm. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh. This is moment of peace. What will be. Love will conquer storm. What will be, will be.
So where did you say they went to?
My mother's sister's place. They have a program in church, a 3-day program. They'll be coming back tomorrow.
What we don't know is older than all.
How dare you, Ikechi? How dare you keep me outside for 2 days without food and water? I couldn't even take my bath.
Uncle, I told you. Food has entered his stomach. His head has become hot again.
Hey! Nzube, what has gone over you?
Uncle, shut up! Shut up! Why are you always behaving like this? Why are you supporting evil? He kept me outside for 2 days and I am supporting him. He stabbed me. No food, no water for 2 days. Do you think I'm on the same frequency with you people? Eh? You need to understand the kind of person I am. Jesus! Are you mad? Uncle! Is that going to that? Me, Nzube! Wait! Where was Nzube? Oh! Nzube, that's Nzube! Nzube, you look at that! Nzube, that's Nzube! Where?
It's okay.
Hey!
It's okay. So sorry about that. He just brought out the beast in me.
It's okay. You don't need to beg on his behalf. I believe someday he will be the one to beg by himself.
But I told you, when you are begging on his behalf, I told you the kind of person he is.
Something is wrong somewhere. What?
No got no glory.
Oh, so Ikechi had the audacity, the effrontery, the temerity to do this to me. No. Ikechi, I'm coming back for you. I will show you that I'm not that little boy you think I am. I will show you. Let me just first go and see Sandra so that I can pull off my head. Network of a child will see. With the full bam back on one more. Ikechi, I am coming for you. I'm coming for you.
I've missed you.
Really?
I can't wait to have you on swimming to Jerusalem.
You haven't seen anything yet.
I want to see all.
I hope you're ready for me.
Take me to the Garden of Eden.
Mm-hmm.
I'm all yours.
It's okay.
Sandra!
No! Who's that? Sweetheart, do not worry about him. Huh? He's one of these riffraffs in this village disturbing me. So,
sure.
Relax, okay? But, you know what? Just stay here and wait for me. Let me go out and see why the idiot is here, okay? I'll be here soon. Trust me. I'm coming.
Alright.
Relax.
What kind of stupid guy is that? He almost destroyed the happy mood that I am. Trying to swim downstream into the Jerusalem. If not one thing there, I will cut him into shreds. He will know that I didn't grow up in the village. Me that does not like Wahala. But if Wahala come, no Wahala inside Swanda.
Autumn, why all this now? I've given you all my love, care, attention, and even money. I don't deserve all this.
Are you done? No, are you done talking? What did you just say? Nsube, when last did you give me money? When last did you take care of me? When last did you even buy me things as your woman? I'm asking you. You're here talking about, why did you do this to me? Listen, let me tell you. Since you have refused to give me money and take care of me, I will get it from other men. Okay? Rubbish.
Otuma, I'm surprised to be hearing this from you because you know what I'm passing through. I confronted my brother like you advised me, and it led to all this. He even tied me and denied me food for 2 whole days. I just came here to cool off, and this is what I'm seeing. This is not fair now.
You came here to do what? To cool off? No, as cooler that I am, or a refrigerator. Which one am I? Listen, let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Because I was actually in a good mood when you came here. That's why you see that I'm talking in a low tone. That's why I'm not shouting. This is not, if I get angry, this is not how I talk. You know that, right? Now listen to me. Since you no longer want to take care of me, you see this relationship, Nzube is over. We are done, Nzube. We are done.
Calm down. It has not gotten to this. It has not gotten to this extent. You know I love you so much, and it's difficult for me to live without you. Seeing you alone, self, for my body. And when all my body standing, I can't stay without having you. I love you.
You love who?
I want this relationship to continue.
I beg you, shut up. You love who? No, tell me, what is your love doing for me? Zube? Am I going to buy cream with your love? Is your love going to cook jollof rice for me? My favorite. Is your love going to buy me body soap and body cream that I'm using on this my beautiful body that is attracting you? What is your love doing for me, Nzube? Absolutely nothing. This your love is useless. I don't want it again, Nzube. Go with your love. I don't want. Nonsense.
No problem. Obviously, you've made up your mind to end this relationship.
Bam.
Okay. Please, can you just go inside now and get me the money I gave to you that led to my father's death?
Which money? Which money are you talking about? The one I've already used? I beg you.
You used a whole 1 million naira. To do what? It's your day. See, Sandra, love aside, I no love again. Go and get me that the money that led to my father's death. If you don't get me that money now, go and get me that money, Sandra.
Are you done vibrating? Is it that madness that you are inviting? It will come now. Nzube, does this place look like your father's compound? See, before I close my eye and open it, you see this small eye? Before I close it and open it, get out of this compound.
Go inside and get me that money.
Nzube, you are mad.
Come on, go inside and get me that money.
Don't touch me.
Sandra, go inside and get me that money. Go and get me the money.
You don't want to go.
Sandra, go and get me that money. Go and get me the money.
You don't want to go.
Go and get
no problem. Chima!
What is the noise all about?
Come and take this idiot out of this house. Nonsense. Throw him away.
But what is the problem?
See, I am no longer interested in her. You can take her, no problem. All I want now is the 1 million naira that led to my father's death that I gave to her. She should give me that money and I will live here peacefully. That's all.
In my very before, you called my woman fantastic and you are shouting on top of my beautiful skinned woman. And I'm here. You did not respect me. I did not grow up in the village. I grew up in the village. From your face, it be like say you like wahala. See, I no like wahala. But if wahala come, no wahala.
Wahala,
get out,
I get Sikita. Don't worry. Wait. Let me do something. Don't worry. Let me do something. Wait, let me find my own. Wait. Where's that thing? Where's that thing?
Oh, you're running, Abby. No, come back and fight. Come back and fight.
I
Idiot.
did not grow up
Rubbish.
in the village. And I don't like wahala. And where wahala come, no wahala.
Punish you there, fool. Come and collect 1 million naira now.
You disturbed me from the thing nearly came out. And now you want to disturb me again. I will show you say I don't like wahala. But when wahala come, no wahala.
No guts, no glory. No pain, no gain. After the storm comes the moment of peace.
Why would Sandra do this to me? After everything I sacrificed for her, the peace of my family, even the life of my father. Now she spent the whole money, not even part of it. Upon that, she called her new boyfriend to beat me up and throw me out of her house. Now my father is no more. My brother on the other side is seeing me as an enemy. Who do I run to? I've made myself fatherless. Will Papa ever forgive me? Papa, please, I'm sorry.
No, my brother, I have packed everything. Yes, yes. I've counted the money is complete. Yes, everything. I just pray that everything will be successful. We are doing what we're supposed to do and leave the rest for God. Yes, I'm about to hit the road now, but I'll stop over in my office before going. Oh, thank you very much. The receipt. Hey, I almost forgot. No, I kept it somewhere. Let me pick it up. That's the. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for calling.
Yeah, I know, right? So when are you coming back? No, I don't want that. I just... Oh. Babe, what is it? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is perfectly okay. You see this bag? There is a huge amount of money in this bag. I want you to keep it for me. I I will be needing it later. But for now, I just want you to keep it safe for me.
You don't need to talk too much. Trust me on that. I will handle it properly.
I can always trust you.
It is safe with me.
I need to go back home now so that I'll cover any traces that I left there.
Okay.
I'm having this feeling that if my father sees me, immediately he lost the money, he will know that I have no hand in it.
He will not suspect you.
Yes, I won't be a suspect.
Go.
So I'm going home now.
Yes.
I'll be back, baby.
No problem. Just go.
I can always trust you.
Trust me.
See you later, baby.
All right. Bye. Wow. This is huge. Where did he get all this money from? Well, that is none of my business. All that matters now is that the money is with me and I need to keep it safe. Wow. Finally.
Oba. What have I done? Papa is dead. Could it be because of the money? Who knows what Papa wanted to do with the money? No. I think I have to leave here now before anyone comes out to see me. They'll think I'm the one that killed him. Because I better go. My hands are clean. Go outside.
No got no glory.
How I wish I can turn back the hands of clock. How I wish the money that took my father's life, I did not even see a penny out of it. Oh, Sandra, you are very wicked. Sandra Sagum. Zube, Ezusugum last. How can I make amends? How can I really show my remorse? How? Sandra. Oh, Sandra, sapo mo bread. Zube. Finally, Zugo.
What will be, this is moment of peace. Love will conquer all. What will be.
Why did you have to come back without Mama and without finishing the prayers?
Mama has been very restless. She said I should come back before you and Nzube kill yourselves.
Yeah. Is that why you should leave the prayers and come back? You know I can always take care of things now.
Mama said I should come and check you guys. You know you and Nzube.
But I hope Mama is...
Papa, no, sorry. I will say it. I will say it.
What is wrong with you today?
I will say it out. Papa, sorry. Papa. I
did not give Papa. I did not give Papa. But I came back to the house one day. I saw money on the bench here, 2 million naira. It was Papa's money. I took it and ran away. When I came back, I saw that Papa was dead. But I did not give Papa. I just took that money and gave to my girlfriend. Later, she drove me away with another guy. And she could not give me the money, but I did not give Papa. I did not give Papa. I'm sorry.
Nzube, you carried Papa 2 million naira and give to that snake. And you are saying you did not give Papa. That girl must pay for that money. That girl must pay that money.
Nzube, so it was you. It was you who took the money that could have saved Papa's life. Papa had a hole in his heart.
What?
Uncle Uzo told me. He refused to go for surgery. He felt there was no need, but Uncle Uzo persuaded him and even brought part of the money. They added it to the money Papa's manager brought from the bakery to make it 2 million naira for that surgery. And Papa kept it, waiting for his appointment. It was that money that this idiot gave to his girlfriend and caused Papa's death.
And you said you did not kill Papa. You are the one that killed Papa.
You will suffer for this.
Hey!
I'm sorry. I did not mean to kill Papa.
Nzube.
Papa, I'm sorry.
Papa, I know I will forget. I know I indirectly caused your death too. But I'm sorry, Papa. I'm very sorry I was brainwashed. I'm totally remorseful. I'm wearing my money clothes again to pay your last respect. I know you are hearing me. I know you can see me from wherever you are. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I now realize that you meant well for me. I love you so much, Papa. Please forgive me. Rest in peace, Papa. Rest in peace, Nam. Rest in peace, Odogunjemono. In my next word, you will definitely be my father. You are the best man I have ever known. I'm truly sorry, Papa. I love you with all my heart, Nam. I love you. Rest in peace, Odogum. Rest in peace, my hero. Rest in peace, Nam. I love you so much, Papa. I'll continue to love you till I die.
No guts, no glory. No pain, no gain. After the storm comes the moment of peace. Moment of peace. Of peace. This is moment of peace. Love will conquer.
Good afternoon. Please, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry for all the inconveniences, for all the pains I've caused to everybody in the house. I'm very sorry. I'm now a changed person. It's the handwork of the devil. Please, I'm sorry. You know you are my only brother. Now I'm the last born. I didn't know what I was doing. Please, I'm very sorry. Please, Brother Kechi. Please, Brother Kechi. Brother Kechi, you're the last born. You are my only brother. I don't have any other brother except you. I'm really remorseful. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It's the handwork of the devil. Please, Brother Kechi. Brother Kechi.
What we don't know is older than us. What is hidden is plenty. So don't show us where it comes. Ask questions before you conclude. 'Cause there is joy for those who just
I'm sorry, don't. I'm sorry.
With others, always do what is right. Do what is right. God go answer your prayers. This is moment of peace. Love will conquer all. What will be.
Sister, please. I'm very sorry for everything I did wrong to you. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm very, very remorseful. Please. I'm very remorseful. I'm sorry. Please. Sister, it's me. It's the same blood. What you know to now? One mother, one father. I'm sorry. Please come back. I'm sorry. No, I have to end this. I'm tired of begging all these people and no one is listening to me. They don't want to forgive me. I think when I die, they will forgive me by force.
Please don't do this. Please, I'm begging you. Please, don't do this. Think about your mother. Think about everyone around you that loves you. If you kill yourself now, your mother, what do you want her to do? Your mother will die. Please. Sandra is not your option. What about me?
No God, no glory. No pain, no gain. After the storm.
Nzube, please, 1 minute of your time.
Yeah, 1 minute of my time. What is it? What do you want to tell me?
Sorry to disturb you. Do you remember the very day I and my parents returned from the city? I saw you at the village park and you helped us put our things inside the taxi that took us home.
I remember. Isn't the problem?
I've been looking for an opportunity to talk to you ever since then. I can't stop thinking about you. Please, can we be friends?
See. You are asking me, can we be friends? You are thinking about me. Do you know who you are thinking of? Do you know who you are thinking about? You are thinking about Nzube. Nzube ne susu. Nzube azoro ya. See. They are saying I don't have manners, and the mannerless, and you are busy thinking about me. What are you thinking about me for?
I like you. I want us to be friends.
You want us to be friends? Yes. Huh? They say, show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. I am Nzube ne susu. Nzube azoro ya.
Nzube nwere manners. You want to be my friend. Can you be like me? If you see the kind of girls that I roll with, Otom, if you go to Herman Habon, one mama water, not your type. You brought my type, nne. See, if you don't see yourself, you got my good now. Even though say, you will Telugu, but if I catch you, man, don't go to give vam. Oh yeah, go and fetch water for your father. Come on, just show me those saw. Go and fetch water for your father. Never thinking about Nzube. Do you know who you are thinking about? That I'm wearing white today does not mean that my behavior is white. My behavior is not white at all. Come on, just show me those saw. Just show me. No matter what you say, who could go if you hotel, man, dog, fam, Piagi Scotty. Now, love Nzube. Nzube name what manners.
That was the only time I ever walked up to any man. But Nzube, you really disgraced me. With your words, it hurts. I never had anything against you. I stayed away from you because of Sandra. You were into her. A girl that almost all the men are sleeping with in this community. I was just praying to God for him to open your eyes to see how much I love you, Nzube.
I think I know better now. But the funny thing is, it doesn't still change anything. All my families, no one wants to forgive me. My brother doesn't want to forgive me. My sister doesn't want to forgive me. Even my mother is not talking to me. Oh, what else will I do if not to...
Nzube, all these are not enough reasons for you to kill yourself. Please. Suicide is never an option. Stand up and face your problems. Since nobody is trying to believe you, you can go to your uncle Mazi. I believe if you convince him, he'll be the only one to talk to them.
I think you are right. I never thought of that. Sandra, thank you so much for saving me. Thank you for giving me a second life. You are indeed a hidden treasure.
It's okay. Cause there is joy for those who deal justly with others. Always do what is right. Do what is right. God go answer your prayers. This is the moment of peace.
So you can walk in gently and greet gently like this? What has happened?
Uncle, please, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
No, you don't need all that. Stand up. Talk to me. You're my brother.
Thank you so much, Uncle. Uncle, I came to apologize for all the harsh words I've used on you. It's not me. I was not using my eyes. It was that one mame water, that Ogbanje that they called Sandra, that Delilah. She was the one deceiving and confusing me to turn against my family. But I've realized myself now, and I am very remorseful. Please forgive me.
I've forgiven you before you even come. You know you're my blood. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Uncle. Please, do me a favor. My family, nobody has talked to me for the past 2 days because everybody is mad and angry with me because of my past behavior. But I want you to help me make them understand that Nzube change Gokwano. Nzube is no longer mannerless. I'm now a changed person, please. They should forgive me and understand me.
Honestly, to be sincere with you, you badly hurt everyone. including myself. But now that you have a remorseful mind, I will talk to your siblings. I promise I'll be in your place tomorrow. I will talk to them.
Thank you so much.
Promise me that you will not go back to those your old ways.
I promise. I'm a changed person. I'm a good man and skater. I'm no longer mannerless. Nzube.
If you said so. Anyway, let's not forget. What do I offer you?
Uncle, this your promise now has satisfied me. I am filled. I am so happy. I am so grateful.
Are you for real?
Yes, sir.
If you said so. Nzube. We are going to celebrate it. I'm telling you, I'm going to celebrate it. Alright. My regards to your siblings.
Moment of peace, love will conquer all. What will be, will be.
Your uncle Uzo was here yesterday. He told me how Nzube came to plead with him to come plead on his behalf that will forgive him. So I didn't want to believe Uzo because I know everything Nzube did in this house. I know how he fought me. I know how he fought you. I know how all the atrocities he committed in and out of here. But when I saw the repentance, genuine repentance from his eyes, and I said, okay, let me call for this meeting so that I can beg you two to forgive him as well. Even when they go now.
Oh yeah, repentance.
Mama, you are asking for the impossible. What would be caused Papa's death? As if that was not enough. He slapped me, tore my clothes. Mama, please, forget about forgiveness. Just because of the girlfriend lied to him, instead of him to support the family, he went and support the girlfriend. Now he's here doing crocodile tears. Mama, please, count me out of this. So I'm not interested.
Sister, I'm very
Who is your sister?
Sister, I'm very sorry. I'm very
Kneel down. I don't know what it take you 1 million years to kneel.
You know, I wasn't doing it with clear eyes. I was deceived. But now I know better. And to crown it all, I'm a changed person now. Please, brother.
I'm not interested in this
nonsense. Can you
nonsense.
calm down? I understand your anger. We don't take it further than this. I know everything he did. Was I not here? I saw everything. Since he has, they say, once there is no sin, there will be no forgiveness. But now there is a sin, there will be forgiveness. Forgive him.
Mama, you just talk as though you don't know what Nzube has done. Nzube broke our hearts.
No.
Nzube embarrassed us in this family. Disgraced us in different ways. Now he wants to tell us he has changed. No problem. If you say he has changed, I don't have an issue with that. I'll observe him. And if he has decided to go back to school, like you said, and make something out of his life, I will pay his school fees all through and support him in any way and make sure he doesn't lack, just like Papa advised.
Thank you. Brother, thank brother for me. I promise I will be a good boy. I will not misbehave again. I will not misbehave again. Mama, thank brother.
Mama, Wakuyoku, Mama.
It's not enough.
What we don't know is older than us. What is hidden is plenty. So don't judge.
Hi. This is grateful.
Brother.
I don't have to doubt if you have decided to turn a new leaf because it's obvious and evident by you passing your jump in flying colors. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, brother.
Now that you're leaving for school, remember everything Papa taught us. Remember not to put this family to shame. Focus on your studies. Build valuable relationships. Keep your eye on your education. Like I said, I will make sure you lack nothing. All I need for you to do is to make us proud by studying hard and coming out in flying colors. Inugo?
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
I promise I will never disappoint you. Forget
you.
about the fact that Mpurumbiri wanted to cause me, he make me useless.
God passed
but
them.
I don't overcome him.
I know.
Thank you, brother.
So bad. Right, let's see him up to the back. I know you are going to meet him, but don't miss him too much.
My regards to Baba.
All right. Uncle, I came with this drink to inform you that I am set to take a wife. And I have come to you as my father now to accompany me to my in-laws.
Hi! Manyo uncle. Manyo Ibo. Chukwu okike abịama. I call upon you to bless your son, Ikechi. May you bless him forever. Bless him in the morning and bless him in the night. The gods of our land, may you prosper him in whatever he does. His marriage shall be successful. And they shall bear forth children. Male children, female children. It shall be well with you.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
No got no glory, no pain, no gain.
Okay, when you receive it, I'll call you back. All right, thank you.
Brother,
Adwaya! Papa Sean!
Adwaya!
Is this you? So finally it's over. Congratulations. Congratulations. Hey!
Mama.
So Mama is fine.
Esther.
Esther is fine. Everybody's good. She went along with them. Of course, you need it now. But hey! So finally you have made Papa proud. Die! I'm so proud of you. So proud of you.
Hey, Zube.
Nenye, I've really missed you.
I missed you too. How was your service in the north?
It was nice, but mosquito flies everywhere. But I'm so happy to be back again.
Me too. I'm happy to see you. You really look good. I've missed you.
I've missed you, Jan. You're not looking bad. Come here. No, come here. Can you remember the last time I hugged you? I don't feel like leaving you. Come on, hold me. Brother, since I came back, I've not seen your handbag.
Oh, she's fine.
Yeah.
You know, my wife's brother is wedding.
Okay.
Yeah, he's wedding this weekend. That's even why we came down to the village, in addition to the new building project I'm embarking on. So she has gone to take charge of things.
So that's very nice.
Mm.
And talking about wedding, you know, I've been dating Nenye for the past 5 years, and I'm thinking that it's high time I make her my wife.
Oh, Nzube Togo. Congratulations, bro. That's a good one. You see, Nenye is a very good girl. She's been of immense help to you. She has stood by you through thick and thin, and I think she'll take very good care of you.
Yeah, brother. You can say that again.
So when are we going to see her people?
Oh, that's exactly why I came to you, because you are my elder brother and my father. So yeah, they want to tell me when and how we go about it.
That's true. That's true. You know what will happen? We'll go and see Uncle Uzo. You know, as of now, he's the eldest in this family, so he should know about every plan. Even though he's not all that strong anymore to go out, but at least he needs to be aware.
Yes.
So with him, we can fix a date and talk to Nanye's people and know which date to come.
Yeah, you're right, brother. That means when Mama comes back, we'll still tell Mama.
Of course now.
Yeah.
Okay,
She'll be very happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
What will be when you do what is right?
Nzube, I'm so proud to have you here today, honestly. You have made this family proud.
Yes.
And I want to tell you that I'm proud of you. According to Papa's wish, he directed that as soon as you were done with school and had gotten married, I should hand you your inheritance, and that is what I want to do now. In here are the documents of all that accrues to you. Papa said I should give it to you when you are settled, and that is what I want to do. I've also built you a house. You know you can't continue living with me here now that you're married, so that you can start up your own family. And I've deposited a lump sum of money into your account so that you can set up your business and start a new life. We want to tell you that we are super proud of you as a family.
Yes, very proud.
Thank you so much for not giving me this sense. I would have squandered it.
I knew it was in your interest.
I really appreciate that, reliable brother.
It was in your best interest.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for taking very good care of him, okay? Thank you. Oh, yeah, get the drinks and food, Jare.
Oh, guys, my in-law.
I'll be back. All right, dear. Hey, sister. How far? Dig it, man. You know, I need to go.